going on, y'all? So it's on the boy do you with a different video. So it's an update on the car. As y'all know, obviously common sense, if you have your car on accessories or just on in general long, you're draining and killing your battery. Well, I used to do that for a while when the car was actually down. It used to do it, it used to hold up, and recently it's been, if I do it even just for a little, it'll just drain my battery within like minutes. I can't even start my car. And I actually put my car in the trickle charger, and it charges the battery to literally charged it, said the battery was charged, and I turned my car, it cranked first hit, and then I come outside like a couple days later, try to start it again, nothing, straight dead. So I'm gonna replace my positive terminal since that one is corroded. Shout out to Dad, he actually gave me one. He had one laying around, so let's just see if this works. All right, so got the terminals off. This one I can already tell is an aftermarket one, just seeing how freaking thick it is. I know for sure Honda didn't have them this thick. You could tell it's aftermarket. I feel like back then cars had little thin rinky-dink ones like these, and honestly it's beat. It is starting to put corrosion on, and it's just, look at the wires. So I'm gonna try to snip the wires, probably cut it around right here, take the loom off, and then hopefully get this new John on. It does clear, it does fit. I wish I had my other set. I don't know where they went, but can't find them. They were in my car in my glove box, but I don't know where they went. So yeah. Alright, got the old terminal off. Looks beat. I did, like an idiot, move the wires around, so I probably have to straighten these out. I am gonna cut a little bit of this. I'm gonna have to buy electrical tape or see if my dad has any, and then wrap it around and hopefully get this on. I'm gonna get this on and then obviously wrap it around if I need to put electrical tape, but so I'm gonna get this sucker on. But what you're gonna have to do is, obviously you have to cut off your old one, and you're gonna have to pull it, see how much clearance you have. So I'm just gonna cut off a little bit so it still has a little bit more play. You're gonna have to take this plate off, get your wires in through here, and then tighten this plate down, and then boom, you have your terminal back on. But enough of the chit chat, and it's time to hit this. All right, so big shout out to my landlord. He helped me out to, you know, with a socket and whatever, because he does work on home, so he has a lot of tools, and he is a car enthusiast as well. So he is actually having a project, which is really cool. Maybe one day I can ask him if I can show y'all it and let him talk about it, or, you know, whatever. So I got the wires out, and I'm going to try and attempt to, you know, put this in. So what you have to do is put the wire in here. So these wires were on top of each other, most likely, just how it was on this. So I'm gonna put both wires on here. Then you tighten this down, and hopefully it's good. And then hopefully I can charge the battery. I'm actually gonna take the battery out now, charge it while it's over here, and yeah, let's get going. So I didn't tighten it down all the way. This is how it's coming out. I don't know if that's good or not, but I'm about to tighten it down right now. I have the battery on the charger, and we're also going to put the mud flaps back on. I don't think I did record me taking them off. And if I did, it was in a way previous video, like a year ago. I think I've had the mud flaps off for a year now. I don't know. I've been seeing cars have them, and I've just been seeing them in my trunk, and I feel like it's time to maybe put them back on. I don't know, but On this terminal, I might have to retake this off and move it, because judging how this is, I feel like I should squeeze these a little bit more. So I might take these off. I'm not sure. But judging from how it looks, it does look like it's pretty good. But once again, I'm not sure. I'm a YouTube mechanic. I'm not certified any of this stuff, so I don't know if this is good or not. I might have to obviously take it off, but let's see. All right, so after talking with TJ, I'm pretty sure he's telling me that it is good to go, that this is good. I feel like it's not, but he's saying to wrap it in electrical tape, so I'm just gonna probably try to wrap it around right here, if anything, and maybe wrap around here too. You know what I'm saying? Maybe just have him come over one day and just, you know, we'll just talk about it and all that, whatever. But I'm thinking I'm gonna carry the video on for tomorrow and obviously show the car with the mud flaps on once again, because they're literally just sitting in my car, man, and I kind of miss having these on, man. I really do, like, and I do have to reorganize all this. Like, these gotta go. My car doesn't overheat with them on, really, so gots to go. And I just want to make nice room in here, get everything nice and neat. Maybe go through my car, and yeah. But judging how this looks, follow the gram. Judging how this looks pretty good. I was gonna put this back on, but this is no longer needed. I'm not running that stupid terminal, so this is looking pretty good. Back home from work, Clutch dad had electrical tape in his house, so I'm gonna go wrap up the wire, the exposed wire, on the terminal and the terminal wire, and put my mud flaps back on and end the video. So let's get changed up to something better and go back outside. All right, time to rip the cover back off. I'm telling you, these things work wonders when you have a dark car, because let me tell you, I bet you it's not even hot under here. Voila, it's a piece of shit. All right, it's time to put these on. I might clean this gunk up spot though. So I taped it up as best as I could. I don't know, don't crush me in the comments about the test job. I already got this one on. Now let's see how this one would be. I'm gonna get this tied down and see if it turns the car. Well, I know it's showing a little bit of wire right there, so I'm gonna try to put some more tape on it. Got this to get on. Just gotta tighten it down, and let's see. And now for the moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Yes, sir. I did that. Hell yeah. Well, ladies and gents, she runs. She is good. She is good. I decided to have her face this way this time. But she's good. I just need to throw some gas in her. And oh, yep, she's dead. But she runs. She's holding good, so let's just see. Well, organize the trunk, and the side skirts are on. She starts, she runs. So for a first time doing all this, I did pretty freaking good, man. Can't complain, pretty good. Got the side skirts back on. I don't know how I feel about the rears, but I feel like the car, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it's cleaner. I feel like it's good. So I'm gonna end the video right there. I just wanna thank y'all to people that support. It's hot, I'm dying, I ain't gonna cap. But enough with the talking. I just want to thank y'all. I hope y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, share this page, you know what I'm saying? Share my videos if you can. I hope this was informative for y'all. And I'm out. Till next time, it's your boy Boy Doogie, and I'm out. Peace.